Hello and welcome back. This is Kausar. Do you know what is this? I think some people are know what is this. It is a download modem cable. I show you how it's work. This is my Samsung J5 phone. Just I turn off it and simply connect this cable. Just press power button. Yeah, it's download mode. It's already a download mode. It's called download mode cable. You can say why need download mode cable, because using volume down and home button you can do it. Yes, I know you can do it easily using volume down, home and power button, but sometime some phone there is a problem, volume down, maybe home button problem. That's why you can't go download mode option. That's why you can use this download mode cable. It's very cheap, but it's very important. You don't need where is volume down, how can you go download mode. Just simply you plug this cable like this, and so I show you again. Just I turn off this phone, and simply it's a USB cable. Simply just connect it here. Okay, and using your, simply it's turn on. Yeah, it's download mode. No need to press here, because sometime phone there is a download mode is different. So you don't need why is this, only you need this cable. I think you like this video. If my video is helpful, please share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.